Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Basraj sir. My name is Basraj, an English teacher. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to teach you when or while, what to use, where do we use when, and where do we use while. These two words, they act as conjunctions, connecting the two classes or sentences. For example, when I came to your house, you were sleeping. While I was reading, you left the house. Like that. So, uh, when is used for the action, for the two action happening at the same time, and one after the other. And the while is used for the two continuous actions that are happened at the same time. For example, uh, I will call you when I get home. When is the party scheduled to start? I She was happy when she received the good news. The flowers bloom when the spring arrives. When I was child, I I loved playing in the rain. Do you know when the next train is? Do you know when the next train is? We stood up when the teacher entered the class. I was playing video games while you were gone. While you have gone, they were working on the project while she was talking on the phone. He left the house uh, while his wife was sleeping. She left while it was still raining. He was he was sleeping while she was driving. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.